Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Redmi Note 13, and in this video I am going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just click on our settings, then we have to open wallpaper. Here we have to choose whatever wallpaper we want. For example, this one. We can tap to preview, as you can see. And now we have to just click apply and set as lock screen. And now look, when we just turn off our phone and get to the lock screen, here is our new wallpaper. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.